no fucking trading clips at all, except for one. One is $10 million in a single fucking day. He's the realest trader I've ever seen. Just him taking small cap stock. And he shows his brokerage. He legit shows his brokerage. The fucking
chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I could.
You've got to be what?
you get lost in the
Your mic's not connected.
Yo, Ace is tweaking. This guy's tweaking. What's up? Yeah, it's because he's screaming like a psychopath. What's up, George? Hello.
You can't prove it if you can't lose it! Welcome to Monday stream! We've done it again!
You've got to be kidding me. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing?
Who's the most gentle of the mans?
Did you smoke the wrong end of the pipe? He ate the pipe. Wait,
Is there a
what?
pipe? How
Wait, too intense for a Monday. You're not intense enough for a Monday. Let's be real. We had Orange Folder News at 8:30 this week. We got PPI on Wednesday.
I'll show you my
Federal
PPI.
Oh, dude, Wednesday is PPI and
I'll show
FOMC.
you my PPI.
Thursday unemployment. Your
I'll
PPI.
show you my PPI.
Okay. Good morning, Kamara. Good morning, everybody.
Done it again, everyone. I've done it again.
All right, guys, you want the technical analysis? Same exact levels in the past month and a half. That's the technical analysis. And we are currently in between two massive weekly VIs. Good morning, Kanyesis. Good morning. Oh, dude, look, I love this chat when it's active. Good morning, Benji. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Kanyesis. Good morning, Cash, Kamara, Kels, Patel, Low Battery, Buffett, Camper, George, Audrey. Is it Audrey or Adri?
But if I can't stay with
lock in.
you,
Lock in, twin.
'Cause I can't stay with you.
Hey, Adri, what's up? It's good. It's good. How's everyone doing?
How's everyone's weekend? First of all, let's get to know the people. How was your guys' weekend? What'd you guys do? What'd you accomplish? Let me know.
What are your accomplishments?
Nothing? You've done it again, loser.
The weekend I was with some friends and I said out loud, the potentials be potentialing in that. I love that. Oh no, Toasty, are you sick? I'm muted. App.
I hear you. I don't even have
Cash
my
is
headset
trying
in.
to trick me.
I hear you
He's
in
trying to
person.
trick
I
me.
don't even have my headset in. I've done it again.
Tequila type of weekend. I understand. I'm still on no alcohol. Minus Colombia. I am sober.
Yeah, me too. I've done it again.
You've got to be kidding me. Anyway, welcome to the stream. Today, the stream. Today's official day one of Prop to Payout, where we are on the evaluation accounts. Ha ha ha. Very, very nice. Our last two, did we do 3 or 2? We did 2, right? 2. Yeah, we did 2. Our last 2, we passed in the minimum days, the eval, and then we got the payout in the minimum days on the funded. Now, am I saying that's going to happen again? No, I can make no promises, but all I will say is that we're running another challenge.
Can you
I
hit?
only hear
Can you
Ace,
hit up the
not
person
Jose.
on Kick? The person on Kick said, "Love your vibes. Add me in that Discord so I can join your next stream." I don't know if they're a bot, but
But I
Hmm.
also live on.
so how did they find us? They love our vibes on Kick, but have not joined the Kick
Hey, why are we not live on Kick? Do we not go live on
because
Kick
we
anymore?
need my phone, and I don't know where it is.
Wait, why did we need your phone last time?
Authenticator.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Market opens in a minute, 20 seconds. I'm liking today's vibes, even though I don't like where we are market-wise. I think today's a be patient day, to be honest. There is definitely opportunity, but I'm going to wait.
I'll show you the opportunities.
I'm going to wait type of shit. Hmm. All right, real quick, a minute before market open. Do you want to run the prop to payout explanation? of,
We'll wait. We'll wait
what's
for
going on?
people to flood in. Give them,
All right, we'll
give
wait
them
then.
that 5 minutes while they're still waking up.
I don't understand the amount of times that people come 5 minutes late and we already PDPT. You better be here early. Come on. What do you think this is? What's ES doing? All right, we're looking similar, looking same. I understand. It's good to be back. Good to be back in the office. Colombia was dope, but you know, that is in the past. And I'm here in the present.
I miss it.
It was fun, I can't lie.
Holy sharp bucket meta. You guys see meta? Meta's on the roof. Meta's on the roof.
Dun, 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 dun. And market open. What's ADR? ADR? ATR? ATR 14 on the 2. Yeah, honestly, I'll be surprised if PA is good today. I'm expecting it to be ass, especially because FOMC is on Wednesday, home sales tomorrow, unemployment Thursday, PPI is also on Wednesday. Wednesday's going to be ridiculous. I'll tell you that right now.
Oh my god, that was way too quick. That was way too
You're
quick.
not sharing screen. You're not sharing
Sorry,
screen.
I was going way too quick. I was going way too quick.
I
I was
understand.
going way too quick.
I told you that I already understand. 3? No, 6. There you go. Well, that open might have wicked me out. Telk, what were you in? Were you in a short and you SL'd at 670? Did I just call your play right there?
That was way too quick. I called out the meta gap because of how gapped up she was. It went from $255 to $4 in that singular minute that we've been open.
That's insane.
I still
Real
want
me,
more.
bruh.
I still want more. Watch this.
Share screen for the peoples, man.
I'm busy.
I don't care. I want to see the screen. been on a run. Actually, sold one of them yesterday, and a Phantasmal Flame Booster box as well.
Pokemon. You've got to be poking me.
Ah, you're poking my man.
Wait, what?
You've got to be what? There you go. There's the screen. Transparency at its finest. Welcome to Prophub.
All right. Now we have an extra 20 people in that 1 minute that we've been open.
Mm-hmm.
So we wanted to let you guys know that we are running another challenge today. Woo! Echo. Yeah, I am echoing through yours.
Oh shit. Do it again. Test it.
Test, 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 test. Good? Cool. Thanks, Patel. So we are running another challenge, guys, and the last two that we've hit it in minimum days. So the first one that we ran was a straight to funded, so it takes 5 days to get a payout, and we literally hit PDPT every single day. So we hit the profit target. It was 50K accounts, and we did what? The $600 literally every single day, 5 days straight, got the payout. The last one that we did was the Tradeify select dailies, right? So you have 3 days to pass the eval, hit those in the minimum days, and we didn't even have to blow the account, reset, get new accounts, blow those, get new accounts, and go through that whole cycle. Literally passed that in the minimum days, and then on the first day, we made $20,000.
Yeah, that was ridiculous.
So this time around, we want it to be very clear cut, very easy to follow. But we're not group trading. We're not financial advisors. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing and how it's going to be really easy for myself to follow myself.
Yeah, Ace is following himself. I'm gonna follow myself, and all we're doing is showing you how we follow ourselves for educational purposes only. That is what I would say.
Because at the end of the day, it's always NFAs.
We are not financial advisors. We are just documenting our progress as traders. You get it? You understand, chat?
Taking meds.
I just want to make sure everyone understands. Yeah, exactly. NFA, do your own research. Right? Everyone gets it? Everyone
I
understands?
do like that 700. I do like it.
I was just talking about if we
Gives
break
me a
and hold
nice
that 710.
37. Yeah. I don't like first PT. I will say that.
What's your first PT?
37. VICE.
I think we could see 770 if we really go.
Yeah.
Even higher.
790.
Yeah. Flip said, are you still in meta?
Am I still in meta? Fuck no. Literally, as soon as that hit the 50% gap, I was out.
What accounts will be used for the challenge? We actually just talked about this. Say it. Say what we were gonna say.
Sounds very bossy. So we are saying that you guys could literally use any singular account, because no matter what account we will be using, again, we're not financial advisors, we're not group traders, we're none of that, right? You guys can use any singular account, but the ones that are going to reap the most benefit are the ones with either no consistency or a daily payout. What I am going to do is this whole week, this whole 5 days.
I'm going long. Sorry.
I understand.
I sell at 84. I'm one light. I want to catch this breakout.
I did want that 700 as well. Shit. That was a nice retest of our average weekly range high too.
Mm-hmm.
Come back down for Pop. I dare you.
Thought he was gonna say, doesn't matter. Just use code PHUB.
Oh shit!
This is literally a starter position because I'm just waiting for what?
Click short buy. I made $5.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, you guys can use any accounts. The most benefit will be
non-consistency props. So things like take profit, trade day, the selects, the elite dailies. But we are running a full 5 days nonetheless. So even if you guys do choose by the end of it and you're like, shit, you know what? I still haven't passed the evals to do so. Doesn't matter because then you guys could run it on a straight to funded, so on and so forth. Because at the end of the day, it's not about you, it's about us. But there's a 700 that I wanted to get in. Bigger position.
But me personally, I'm gonna be on Tradeify.
And for myself, I want the big swing. I will be using TPT. So I'm even fighting intraday. I'm making it harder for myself this challenge.
True.
I am making it harder for myself this challenge. But if you guys are going to open up any props, or if you guys are going to designate any accounts specific to a challenge for yourself, because hey, the challenge is personal, right? But if you guys are going to do it, then make sure to use code John
PHUB to get the best discounts possible, baby.
baby.
Prop hub, prop hub, prop hub.
So this easily invalidates back below 92 to 82. I'm not keeping that much risk. Or I am keeping that much risk at 82 right now. It could dip literally even more. So I'd watch out.
Wow,
I'm red right now. And let's see if it gets the bounce off of that average weekly range high. So I'm still in. My average right now is 708. Could easily get tapped out here. Excuse me. I'm burpy.
You're burpy?
I am burpy.
Huh, he is burpy, ladies and gentlemen.
Looks like it's going to touch me. 82. I don't want to wick below, but like, I would say safest SL is going to be like a 65. I'm not dragging it down there. I'll re-enter if anything, but I'm going to keep it right there around that 80 mark. So I'll put the R to R on screen right now.
Sorry, me late. That's okay. Not available. Don't worry.
What the heck? I just got tapped.
You're tapped?
I did get tapped, Lias. Me and John were literally saying this morning how much we hate these levels. Any reclaims of 680, I'll actually look to get back in. Looks like it's testing it right now. No triggers just yet.
Mm-hmm. I have that
Wait.
72. So I'm still in.
Weapon?
I'm still in. I have a 72 SL. I do want to see a nice reclaim. And if I get tapped, that is all okay. Ha ha ha. You've got to be kidding me. Not available. I'm going long soon. I understand. I understand. Start of this week is eval week, baby. Suck up and close above 80, but there you go.
That
Wants
came
to
down
know.
real quick.
I understand. You've got to be what?
Still inside of that pre-market range that she created. Was hoping for that nice breakout of 685 structure off of a 15-minute. Didn't catch it super nicely. And then if we go back to Thursday session, we can literally see it's just the wicks all inside of. So true confirmation would actually be above like your 750, which obviously massive room to there. But in terms of an A+ setup, that's kind of what it looks like. In terms of the downside, I would actually want it underneath like 615, 600.
I understand.
Anything really inside of this range, really ugly. And we're going to have to see. Wow. Well, that's a reclaim.
Wow.
Did you get back in?
I'm about to. High key. All right. I'm going to tap in
Yeah,
one more time.
that was the level that I wanted as well.
Tap in one more time. See how we go. Wait, anyone seen the Oscars? No. Why? Did something crazy happen?
Who is Oscar? I've done it again.
Oh, I just almost knocked my monster. Oh my god. Why, did any crazy shit happen?
Was there a guy named Oscar?
No bitch slaps again, so no. I understand.
It looks like my accidental short I should have stayed in.
For real. For real. Sometimes
Michael
you
D.
got-
Jordan, not B. Jordan. He's the fake Michael B. Jordan. He's done it again.
sometimes you've got to be skidding.
He has the best D.
Oh, I did see that he won.
What is up, everyone? So, to all the new people that just entered, we are starting a new challenge today. Starting this week, running eval. So, whether or not I fail, I'm going to keep running it until I do get a set. Currently have TPTs that are in the red, and then I'm going to see these things go green. I guarantee you that. Whether if it's this set or the next set.
At some point, eventually is potential.
Regardless, there'll be potential.
Where's Pasta? For real, where's Pasta? He has to go faster. And we can go faster.
Also, to everyone in here, how was your guys' weekend? Hope you guys are doing well. Me and John kissed this weekend.
What?
Wait, what? Relax, bro.
That's a lie.
I wish it was true.
Why is ES Skype? Wait, what's ES doing? Oh, ES is mooning apparently. NQ, why don't you follow your brother and go?
Actually, looking at some gold right now.
For real?
RTY's popping up. Everything's basically popping up, other than NQ right now. But NQ sitting on good levels for a pop up. There's just no follow through just yet. So, staring and stalking gold, I would like it above 50.45 to 50.50 for me to want to enter.
Yup.
Yarp.
I'm gonna wait for this 45. 9:45. Basically, orb to close. YM and ES are mooning. NQ is bearish as hell, hesitating to get in. Yeah, NQ is being not very friendly. Okay, that's why you be patient. NQ pretty calm. For real. I mean, 20 ATR on the 2. Honestly, days where ATR is this low, even though this used to be the average, is usually when PA starts being like wiki and indecisive.
Who do you think has decided?
Decided the decidors? The decidors have decided. Past month it been 50 for real. And when it is that high, like yeah, a lot of people struggle because they just go too heavy. But in terms of PA, it's usually pretty clean.
There's a decent pop trying to come in. See if we can get a full reclaim.
That's 700.
That's a nice rip. Try to enter. Stops. $700 on the dot with my shot clock, cruising the streets.
Cruising the streets. You're waiting for me. Let's see if this PA's gonna pushy.
So obviously I'd watch out from right here to the top of this wick for 17 points. Yeah, it doesn't seem like a lot. There it is right there. So first PTs are hit. I don't want it personally, but if you are a little bit more of a conservative trader, then all the power to you. That's 22 points right now. Moving my stops up.
Very nice, very nice.
And nice little catch right there.
That was
I
beauty.
want to see 36 get tapped. Otherwise, this thing's probably back down.
That was beauty.
I'll say 35 is my first out. Self. Again, regardless of the fact that was up what is it? 25, almost 25 points.
Yeah. Mine was 95. I like that momentum. Here's the test. This is a CE for me here. At 08, 50. Oh god, I got to sneeze.
Chew. It's down already? Oh my goodness, shut up.
What? What? Have you got to be skidding me or what?
Nice suck up right there. So if you guys didn't get a trim, you guys have an opportunity to not. That's just me personally. But as we come closer into that 36, so as soon as it touches 30 right there, dragging my stop all the way up because I'm not going to get greedy because that's just dynamic R. And it looks like it's approaching. I only want to do it with my contract.
You're.
Other contract a little lower. So there it is at 30, putting my stop all the way to 28, giving myself that wiggle room. It literally touched me at 35. I put my PT at 35 and it never got triggered. So the first con just came
Very
out,
nice,
guys.
Very nice.
And good shit. Good
Beauty.
shit.
Very, very easy.
Nice trade right there for sure. 35
Mhm.
points. Next one, guys, that I have is I'm going to say top of the range. I want to see 90 almost.
Yeah.
See if it can give it to me.
Agree.
I just flipped green right here, assuming it holds. Because if it comes all the way back down for that last contract, then obviously I'll be still in the red. But as of right now, looking good. If we can get that confirmation above my CE at 35, 36, I will add the contract back in. But I'll reduce risk significantly. See. Come for
Where's your SL?
keeping it at 706. Regardless, I'm going to see green, but I'm giving it enough
That's
wiggle room to come
703.
down.
Or actually
And
702.
tapped.
Are we gonna
All
get
right.
tapped?
So there's first trade, guys. Or second trade,
Beauty.
technically.
I got 95. Nice. Let me go talk to production.
And then any suck ups or reclaims of that 710 could be another trade still valid.
Production says hi. Hit PDLL on the Apex PA. But that's a screenshot of $730.
PDLL or PDPT, Zulu?
AT, like for real.
You've got us confused.
I'm
Short at
confusion.
700. Pondy says, I'm not a big fan yet, especially since, like, actually, it's not horrible. ES is coming back down. RTY came back down. Gold and silver still holding up nicely. Again, I want to see that above at least 50, 40
I think PAs are very
for a
aggressive
nice
right now.
trigger on gold. There it is, back above 710. What I want to see, but a nice hold. Just yet. I'm going to switch over to a minute on my trade of 8.
I had a call come in, but that 32 smacked. Nice. 357 on 5 accounts. That is a very sexy Mr. Euro.
Mr. Euro, you've done it again. You sexy, sexy.
Mr. Urology. Ha ha ha. Getting a suck up. What's ES doing? Same shit basically. They seem kind of lined up now. There's that reclaim of 700.
I actually like it long still, but
Inclined to agree. I want to see if how this candle holds. It's the only thing. Not bad at all. On the max payout, shout out Ace Daddy W. Look
Let's
at that.
go.
Look at that
Pondy
calendar, man.
W.
Our people speak for ourselves. W Bondi.
They're speaking for themselves.
They're speaking for
They are
us.
their own people. Well, look at that.
All right, now if this was normal PA on this reclaim, I would actually expect the push, but we're just like wiki.
RTY holding previous day high. ES kind of just floating in the sky. NQ.
In Qs?
I was gonna keep rhyming, but I'm not that smart. Decent push right there. I'm gonna trigger a light position. Stop. Very similar to what I had. 5. A lot. Wiggle to that 85, which I'd
Mhm.
probably add 280. I don't want to see it reclaim back on 93 though, to be honest.
Yeah. Like if that wick is the bottom, that's clean. But with today's movement,
Ass.
ass.
So ass.
JJ, can you remember?
Can you work, JJ? Do you
Or
remember?
what? I don't remember. What do I remember?
3.
And I
It'll be even
wonder
looser.
if I remember what it means.
As of right now, with the starter position, I'm in at 707.25. So currently in the red, 14 points. I'm allowing a lot of wiggle room. So underneath this current wick at 64, to where I could get in not full position, but an extra contract. Especially with today's choppiness, I want to make sure that we do have a lot more confirmation and room to be wrong.
Yeah.
So not looking to just average down just to average down, but literally still playing off of what I enter at that point.
Yeah.
But this is our monthly open. That's why I like it. And then plus it's in between and wedged with our average weekly range high. Structure as of right now from our pre-market is bullish. So I'd like to see that momentum continue. We're not really getting much out of today's session. So just staying patient, really. You in anything, John?
Patience. I'm in this long. I have my SL at 76, though, which yours makes more sense, just based on PA. But I don't mind a 76 SL.
I respect that.
I entered at 700 flay. Flay?
Slay, queen, slay.
What is a flay? I am very confused.
Here.
Flat.
Oh, that's why. I didn't talk to.
Oh yeah, go talk to production. Talk to production while I watch this. Yo, am I tripping? Like low key, my Tradeovate and my trading view. Like I don't know if it's delayed or if I'm tweaking. Very interesting. Got to see a full reclaim of that 710 before you see any sort of push. For real, for real.
I'm back. Thanks, production.
Chat, who's green by the way off that first long?
Well, we took
Or
a first
that
red.
main that main yeah no the main long.
The main long. The long that we should have been in the first place.
Not available said, "Whoa, smoke, cool."
It wasn't me, it was production.
I will produce your production.
Yo, pardon.
Are you producing me? Or are you productioning? Close that first long at 35. I understand.
Back down, 20 points. Still holding.
I
Keeps
understand it
testing that
now.
monthly open. And the wicks for a 40 loss if I do get tapped. Here it is again with that touch. That's actually for my entry. Obviously popped up quick.
Wow, this is mid PA.
It's so mid. So ass. Me and John were literally talking about it right before the market opened. Like, hey, imagine if we only took the A plus 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 setups, and
Yeah, like literally not even hopping on today because we looked at the chart and said it looked ass.
now look at us,
Well, I am green right here.
double use.
Well, let's see that push beyond 710.
Yeah, it's gonna be the key factor here.
Push and
Nice.
hold. Not bad, not bad.
To this position, a lot more.
Mm.
And for that added contract, I was gonna put it right. Oh, okay. I'm gonna put that added contract, guys, at 717. So no matter what, I have reduced risk from that added contract. If it pushes 30 into that 35 again, moving it all the way to 28. That way, I can mitigate my risk while staying to the upside leverage.
Mm-hmm. Let's see, at least make a new high of day.
And just got tapped. So made green on that, but it did push my cost average pretty high. If we can confirm above 736, or if it comes back down to the 700 for a nice retest, then I'll add in the contract again. But as of right now, I'm going to stay true to the one con and just hold.
Mm-hmm.
But as of right here, I am net green, and that is your 35 once again. So minimizing my risk all over. If I get tapped, I get tapped. But I want to see this break that 35, which is our main PT, like last time, right? And then from there, I want to see around 780 to 790 get tapped. So 750 to start, obviously, and then 780 to 790.
I would love to see a continuation here.
Oh yeah, that'd be so nice. Gonna move my stop up even more, guys. I'm okay with that, especially since that 35 is getting tapped a bit wick. So moving it all the way to 2675 for my stop, which basically will put me at flat for today's session. Honestly, even like 24, 23.
I have one at 24.
Yeah, I feel like that definitely a lot smarter to allow the play breathe. Whoa, say sorry. Yo, Rams, do you remember that guy who snapped at me for burping on stream?
Huh.
Yo, there was one guy who ripped me apart saying, "You're fucking disgusting, bro. Like, yo, how you gonna do that? You're a fucking nuisance to this world. You shouldn't even exist." Like, bro,
That's kind
I'm
of
sorry. I had to burp, and now I'm getting shit on. But okay, cool. I just got
That's
tapped out, by the way,
kind of
guys.
insane.
Nice trade. Again, they're literally catching the exact same level that we caught last time. Exact same trades while keeping risk fairly loose. Yeah, it was a negative R, but after the add in, puts us at a more advantageous position.
Pretty good. Pretty W trade.
Not
Can't
too
lie.
shabby. Still holding that level too.
Yeah.
I'd love to see it above 35.
Yeah.
There it is right there. See if it can hold. Come on.
See that hold, baby.
Give me that next
Wow.
add-in. RTY, ES, all of them coming
just
back
aggressive.
down, so I'd be careful. Oh,
Holy.
I just looked at NQ after doing
That is insane.
everything.
Zulu up $950 W.
Yeah, it's all about how you manage this trade, guys, because at the end of the day, this is Chop City shitty PA. But that literally came straight to our levels at that 680 and now popped straight to 700. So from 700, we could see 35 again, or we can finally see it flush. We'll see.
Dude, is MNQ? I gotta look at this.
I actually think we probably...
But MNQ and NQ are like off by like a good amount, like 10 points.
If we can't confirm above that 35, I actually see the short coming in. So anything under 700, I'm actually reversing my initial bias here. I do love longs in terms of longer term off of this position. But since that did touch that VI, information is now complete. And even though it hasn't been fully mitigated, we can easily see this thing come down, especially if it confirms under 669.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. Actually, don't mind it. Going to tap into a light position here for the short. Again, significantly riskier since it's not fully confirmed just yet. And SL for me is 55. So again, keeping risk on this lighter position, allowing it to breathe just slightly.
Mm-hmm. Beauty. I'm only using 2 to 3 micros right now. Yeah, nice. With this PA, definitely a size down
Yeah. And if you guys
day.
are again on the more conservative side, because I like to accommodate both type of people with my added Confluence, as you're using Confluence, because I don't offer financial advice. Your first one would be your 90 to your 80. So I would say split the difference, 85. So you're looking at 30 points from my given entry. But obviously from right here, I am in the red, 8 points.
I like low-key still like longs.
I do too. I don't mind it at all. It just has to wait for that full confirmation above 35,
Mm-hmm.
to which I'll probably add in and then keep my risk the exact same for right now, but have that added leverage.
Yeah. See, this candle closes. Want it? I got it. Want it? I got it. Massive Vixen red candle now on the red. I think we get to 800. I mean, I'm expecting 790 today. Like 770 is my like minimum that I'd be like happy with hitting.
So
800 is
87,
definitely possible.
2150 is now cost average. Oh, so looking for 34 points to start this move off, just above our weekly POC and our monthly open. But if it confirms above 35 with a strong hold, this trade is dead for short side.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Oh, well, Ace, we're green 1 point. We've done it again.
Oh, we've done it again.
There we go. Nice little catch. Currently up 10. Need a lot more than that, baby. Even 700, like if you really want first trim out. At 700, I'll probably start trailing away on one of the cons, the added con, just so we can get a dynamic R going, because then that would be positive 20 for an extra 10 to 13. Just using math. Split these.
500 last week into cash account. Let's see. Nice. I feel like the way you trade, you'd like actually thrive on a cash account.
He scored.
Huh. He's done it again.
There's 705. I'm going to start trailing as soon as we tap that really tight. And just tap 705, dragging my first stop all the way down to, wait, yet 715, 710, just popped up to 710.
We have 375 times 5 on the new top steps. Nice.
There's 705 once again. Still holding it.
I high key like this for a pop.
Especially off of that.
Yeah.
I'd even arguably say stop 700. But then that's 705. I'm gonna move into 93 right now, guys. And then still dynamic R-ing that one con. So I don't even have last T in yet. But that will look like right around 65. Looks like I'm about to get tapped. 700 would have been tapped right there. So let's dynamic R this. 706. If I get tapped at 706.5, I get tapped.
Mm-hmm.
Good trade nonetheless. There's 700. Could even get a little tighter if you want. Just got triggered on the first trim
Nice.
out. Nice little
Nice
dub
trade.
right there. And moving my stop for my initial contract in profits at 75. So cost average right now is 28.
Very, very nice.
So this kind of goes to the topic that a lot of people ask me. It's like, hey, Ace, do you ever dollar cost average or do you ever scale into winners? I literally do both, but my intention is not just to dollar cost average. My intention is, okay, if I'm starting off light, where is my point of entry for like a true confirmation?
Mm-hmm.
That touched our 700 real nice, and now it's trying to rip up. There's 715, 720 just got tapped, and let's see if I get tapped out here at 25. Just got tapped. So I'm back in the green for today's session.
Beauty.
Not by much, but it's green. Literally $30.
Green is green.
I'm
Green is
green
green.
1 point.
Huh.
More than 1 point.
Green is green, baby.
Less red is more green. That is very true, Euro. That is very true. So again, I will still believe that the shorts are in trade if it holds below 700, or if we come back to that 35, I wouldn't mind trying to tap it up one last time. Or even if we confirm back underneath 720, gives me a lot more confidence inside of a short.
Love to see a new high. I can't lie.
Yeah, because we are putting in higher lows, but these equal highs ain't it just as of right now.
Mm-hmm.
I'd even say like a quick confirmation short back below that 708 be pretty juicy. There's 730, 35, which is what I wanted to see. I'm going to trigger that once times one tiny con and then keep my SL exactly where it was at 56. See if I can smack this one last time off of the same range. So literally range trading right now, guys.
Yeah. You got to play how the market plays, baby.
Yeah. Let's see if it gets that confirmation above 41, which is going to put us at a high of day.
Mm-hmm.
There's equal highs. There's a high.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. Very
Very
sexy.
nice. Still mitigating this trade, guys, in that lighter position. SL at 56. If it holds, easily go into reverse position without a doubt. No marrying the trade.
Mm-hmm. I'm still in this long off 700.
Noise.
I'm trailing, though. I got my final stop at 28.
If I can't stay with you. Anything back below 35. Pretty ugly. She did have that nice wick 235 on our minute structure. Why am I getting
Disconnected?
Yeah, I think it's because I bring my laptop to the office and then TradingView connects to my laptop. So it
I understand.
disconnects me off the PC.
I understand.
And testing 35 once again. Does it go back under or does it confirm it? Otherwise, this would be a decent close. That way you get to really mitigate that risk. But I'd rather stay in the position, see if we can get that upper wick and continue to flush. But it's holding 35 pretty nicely right now, I will say.
Mm-hmm. See, are we going to break that wick? Get a continuation past 50?
Looking like that's what it wants to do.
That's the question.
It's above 50. Let's see if I get tapped at my 56.5, guys.
That is the question.
And I got tapped. I still think a short could be the trade if it goes underneath 35. But as of right now, I'm going to stay flat. A hold above 50, going to go long. That's pushing nicely to that 60.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Okay. Position. Got
Those are
back
my days for the
in
wiki. Yeah, I'm in the
for
long
the
also.
long.
I skilled in.
Yep. Still scaling.
My skill did push my entry to 50.50.
It's a you.
Where do you have SL? Because low key, mine's at 33.
I'm giving it enough breathing room. So mine's at 2875 right now. But even just looking at the chart, it probably needs more than that, unfortunately. Like the smartest is 17.
Mm-hmm.
But anything below 35, it kind of gets that invalidation anyway. So I don't mind that 33 that you have.
Yeah, like I'll just re-enter if I still like
Yeah.
it.
Exactly.
Do not mind.
Holding 50 pretty nice. In right there. And let's risk.
A CT plus $1,155.
Doll
Beauty.
hairs.
Doll hairs. It's a beautiful amount of doll hairs.
Coming back down. Back
for
under
me, I got
35 right
top.
here, guys. It is back under 35, and the short still might be in trade. Literally trading the range. Don't get beat up by 1,000 cuts. So that's me right now. What? Can I get free funded account?
Do you send signals at the same time you enter? How do you do it
Which?
for for alerts for trades? You don't do it during the live.
Not during the live.
Yeah.
Too much to do.
But anytime outside the live, like blowback trades,
Then yes.
Asian shit, then yeah.
There, it's holding 35 right there. This is what I wanted to see. A nice wick down. Grab a little bit more liquidity and hold that 35, which it's doing right now. But anything back under that 35, then she just created a nice juicy top wick for sellers to come in. On our 15-minute, we got a nice indecision, which that did tap, no shy of 69s. 70. 70 is going to be a little bit of a wall. There's our Thursday session wick. Right now, it is at 1650
Your SL?
SL. Yeah.
I understand.
Little breathing room.
Bro, this NQ chart right now is literally just fucking beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. That was my TA, by the way. It's actually very good technical analysis that I just gave.
5.
Forgot to do that for real.
Mm-hmm. Pop of that 5. Say we can easily invalidate underneath 24 if I really wanted.
Yeah, I have
Really reduce the
23.75
risk.
SL.
Yeah. Needs to break that 50. If we go test that 50, I'll move my SL to 24 or 23. But as of right now, I'm going to keep it at 16. Dragging this. Struggling.
Yep. I mean, if it's gonna pop, it's gonna pop now. If not, we're probably just gonna continue this pattern of fucking this little trend we're in.
Chop City.
Yeah.
The trend of Chop City. Chop
The trend of Chop City. Chop City.
How's everyone
Chop
doing
City.
today? You guys green? You guys red? What's going on in chat? Let me know. I want to know. Red for Patel. This trade is currently putting me in the red as well. It's no biggie. You guys know how I treat my evals a little bit more aggressively, but still try to make it make sense with all the
I like
trades.
that hold though.
Yep.
Let's see a continuation now.
Needs to still break that 40, 41, which is your initial wick.
I agree.
Yeah, that's your orb.
I agree.
He agrees, he agrees, he
361,
agrees.
Nice.
Yo, premium folks, are you guys hyped to get the indicator?
Salvi up over $1,000. Oi!
There we go. Nice push. Let's see if we can
Up.
confirm above 50 and see if Papa Ace can get aggressive with it above the 50.
Mm-hmm. The roof is on fire.
We don't burn. Firm above that 50.
Confirm the 50. Confirm the 50. And then we're gonna push the 70 at least. Weekly value area high at 60. Green like the Hulk Sweeney. Benny Hanna, he knows what's up. Salvi almost 10k above buffer. Fire.
That is
But this candle is such a finesse. It's like sucking down to try to trick you. And then it's gonna actually suck up and break the 50. Watch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm about to get tapped.
Or you got 23 stop?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a fair stop, to be honest.
Hulk has only a weenie? Damn it, blew it. Stupid PA. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't blame you, but also, how heavy are you going?
Today's eval week. They're all going heavy, baby. There we
Me,
are.
I'm playing.
Again,
I'm
above.
playing.
We're
What
testing
did I say?
50.
What did I just say? What did I just say?
Nice
Is
hold
that
at that
the
35 into that 50. I want to see if we can confirm 50 where I'm going to get super aggressive with it and have my PT already preset at like 75. Like, I want it to go pretty quick. Yeah, like 74.
Uh-huh.
That 50, baby. See it.
You skilled in already?
No, not yet. I'm being patient.
I understand.
There's
understand,
20 seconds left on this candle. If I don't get the scale in, I don't get the scale in, whatever. I'm already heavy. I'm back into green off of that. But still waiting.
Bad city. Bad city.
Can we sweep out that previous high? That's the real question. Here we go. There it is. New high just got put in. I would say, honestly, at this point, consider moving your stops, guys, because that just put in a new high. I could easily take everyone. So I've moved mine up, not by much, but all the way to 22.75. That's why I didn't add in yet. Look at that. Holy juicy.
For real.
Holy juicy.
Are we gonna get this stuck
ICT
up?
people, I knew that was external liquidity. You guys didn't see that turtle soup? Well, shit. You're right. I didn't see your turtle soups.
Turtle soup?
Holding at 35 still, guys. Crucial level.
Turtle soup?
Turtle soup, baby. Turtle soup. I wanted to hold 41. At least give me my orb confirmation. And I'm not even a true orb trader, but that would be a nice
Turtle
hold.
souping.
There's 40, 42.
But are you in Slide City?
Do you know what I mean?
Do you know what I mean?
Holding nicely. Like, we're getting those higher highs and higher lows. It's just so chop. We're literally candle up, candle down. If you don't have enough wiggle room for any of these drawdowns, you're getting cooked.
Real for real.
Trade smart, guys. Trade smart. Like, as much as I want to scale inside of this trade, it's just not there yet. And like off of that 35, would have loved to do it there as well. Obviously, to a pop of 50, that would have put me in green, but I want the big move. I want the bigger move.
Slide City? JJPA is boring. Play some songs. Give me a song.
Chop City, chop, 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 chop City.
Dun, chop, chop, bitch.
There it
No kidding.
is. Can we get another high getting put in? See, that's pretty nice. That's a nice candle if we can get the close.
Oh yeah.
Again, guys, like 74 would be like first PTs for the conservative people or the people who have entered at the 35. I'd even argue like 69 to 75. And here we go. Trying to put in some numbers right now. I don't want to just see a wick though. That's your 50% of orb as well.
Sometimes when we touch. Damn, pasta's in the chat. It's over now.
Pasta, we were all talking about you at the beginning of the day, and look at you coming in late.
For real. It's over now. Pasta's in the chat. Shit.
Yo, Pasta, John told me he was over at your place, and I was like, wow, thanks for the invite.
I'm pretty. Wait, hold on. No. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I fuck. It's actually fast. I completely forgot. I completely forgot. Too.
I was actually hella busy yesterday. That's so jokes. I appreciate you, Pasta. Look, I have a big smile on my face now. Shit.
Pasta's a real
I'm
one.
blushing. I'm blushing.
No, that's my fault. I completely forgot. I showed up at his crib with 10% charge on my phone. My vape was dead.
And that matters a little bit more. Holding 50 right there, guys. Let's see if we can really get that hold and push now. Nice. I'm liking the long still, but shit, she's slow.
Is she Slide City?
She's holding 50.
Slide City. Slide City. Bro, you know who's printing today on this PA? Tory Trades.
Oh man, yo, wait. Has everyone seen
TJR?
What about him?
You haven't seen that?
What?
Oh, yeah. Somebody made like a huge exposing video.
Of TJR?
And everyone's shitting on him now. Yeah. It's
TJR's or Tory's was crazy though.
Yeah.
Hers was like blatantly obvious paper trading. That was crazy.
And her course, she's selling a course
it's like
for
6.5K, bro.
6,500
6.5K for a course on trend lines that you can learn on YouTube.
Yeah. And it's about paper trading. And in the course, there's like a coach that you get.
Yeah.
And the coach's calendar is like him making $60 like 3 days out of the entire month.
That's insane. He got like his first payout and it's like, this is your coach now.
I've gotten one payout. I made $200. Pay me $6,500.
Oh man. That's wild.
That's ridiculous.
That's actually wild. Still
TJR got exposed. I mean, exposed. I literally talked to you like a month ago about how TJR made all his money.
Yeah.
Remember? In the crypto and shit. And then now he got exposed and everyone's like, oh my God, is that real?
Expose.
I told you from months ago.
Hold 750. There it is. Come on. Let's get the Ripsky now. She's holding it nice. I will say that. 53 is your 382. And I'm in at 55. She's following structure pretty nice. I will say that. She hasn't broken.
JJ, can you push this PA up? Bet.
Watch this.
Yo, NQ. Go up. In the name of Adri, you will now continue in 3, 2, 1. Pop candle. Give it a sec. There's like a delay between Discord and the chart. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Watch that flip green.
Which OGs remembers Ooga Booga?
Why did I imagine JJ has a small air pump he was going to pull out? We actually do have one, but it's not next to me. But you know what I will pull out? My Thor hammer. Ha! It's mine now. The power of Thor. Time to pump it. Does it spin? Hell yeah, it spins. Look at that shit. Yeah. Type shit.
Here, trend line.
Oh, okay, guys, don't worry. Tori Trades is here to save the day. I need to measure out this trend line. Okay. According to my calculations, this bubble is bullish.
Here.
We have so much random shit. What is that? Oh, toothpaste. Crest 3D White charcoal toothpaste. Oh, alright.
The toothpaste.
Show and tell. Oh, we got Pedialyte. 33% more electrolytes. All right, I'm gonna now show the chart the electrolytes, and it's gonna be like so hydrated that this candle's gonna pump. Watch this. It's looking at it. Oh, NQ. I think it likes the electrolytes. Very interesting. This shit's not working. Damn, that's a small hammer. Dude, that hammer was massive. What are you talking about? That hammer's it's actually a very, very big hammer.
Really have to use the washroom.
Very big.
Can this trade do something so I can do something?
The
That
hammer's
touched
big.
35 as well. And honestly, I might take on my additional risk right here, add in, and then move my stop a lot higher now with the added in position. Let me make sure that I'm fully realized. $24 stop with my shot clock in the streets. And then my average is 49.5,
in the streets.
which just tapped. Anything under this 35 gets significantly risky, ladies.
Sometimes when we touch.
I'll then start to wonder why you're looking at me.
All right, chat. I've been stopped. I understand, chat. Chat, the real challenge starts
Once the
when
evals
we
are
get
passed.
once the evals are passed. And we're giving this entire week. Even if we pass the evals early, we're making sure to give the whole week before we actually start the funded side of the challenge so that nobody gets like left behind. So you have this whole week to pass. So don't feel too in a rush. Also, today's PA sucks. Ugh.
Dun-na-na-na-na. Dun-na. Dun-na-na-na-na.
This is blow
It's-
account type of PA, 100%.
Now below 35, which I don't like. Want to see if it can hold structure at least, which is the bottom wick of 25. So that's why I was keeping it at 16 initially. Give it a little bit of wiggle room to test these wicks. And it's coming in right now and tapped.
Yeah.
But it didn't touch 16.
Oh, it actually didn't.
Yeah. So I want to see if it can reclaim 35. The trade is still valid, but 16 would have been the most ideal SL where I was at. That would have been in trade. But holding nothing right now. Currently in the red. And 16. Wow. Holding 16. And does it tap? Tapped.
Tapped.
Nice. Reduce the
You all have a
risk.
great day. Later, Jay.
There's
We
705.
love
So
you.
from 705 to 700, that was our initial trade up to those levels of 35. And we're just chilling now.
We are just chilling.
That's currently under. Man, the short is coming in.
For real.
I actually don't mind it at all. That just invalidated so many of those levels.
This is like the first actual move outside of chop.
Yeah, I agree. And unless it holds 700.
Yeah, if it sucks back up above 700, holy. Short is nice, but I'm locked out. Good shit, Zulu.
Yeah.
You saw
I'm gonna
green,
tap
you took
in,
shit, locked out.
guys,
In what?
in the short. I think it's nice. It invalidated a lot of those levels, but any reclaims above 700, this thing's fucking ass. And I'll probably be done for today's session and call it there.
For real. Today is Kangaroo Day.
What?
Kevin. Oh. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's hilarious. It's not bullish. It's not bearish. It's kangaroo.
Holding 700 right now above, testing under now. Literally floating at that 700. So just watch for any potential bounces. I have my SL in at 722. I was green more than or right around 10 points. Nothing crazy to write home about. But we do have to watch out for that monthly open and that weekly POC at 683. So literally right where it tested, because then that could give it another lever for a bounce, grabbing a little bit more liquidity from there. Currently in the green and just waiting this out. I have to use the washroom so bad. I wish I didn't enter this.
Probably gonna get a 710 test.
There, yeah, there's your 710. Again, I'm in at 722, 723 for the SL.
722. 723.
What is this song? Dun,
You
dun,
don't like my
dun.
song?
Sometimes when we touch, it just seems like too much. Man, we've done it again. There is green on the table. We're up $100. It's not much, but I care for it. What?
What account size for the challenge? I mean, you could do any account size you want. I'm personally doing 50s. But if you do 150s, you just get a bigger payout, have more drawdown,
Yeah.
etc., etc.
We are not picky when it comes to these challenges, guys. The whole goal of it is to literally show you guys on full display exactly what we're doing to get to that payout if we get the payout. Because obviously it's trading at the end of the day. It's literally the hardest, easiest way to make money.
Yeah.
And that just bounced off my 85 again. My weekly POC. I do want to see it under this. Otherwise, trash bucket. You know what I mean?
For real, for real, for real. Listen, as long as the payout is more than the account costings, then you're profitable.
I do have a PT at 36 right now. There's green, guys. There we go. Nice move right there. We do need that to close. And first PT would be like, again, 75 to 70 for my conservative folks, because we do have a CE at 70, which literally approaching right now. Anything under 70, we could see this thing flush to at least our open candle at 55. So I'd love to see that happen. Would have to wait for the trade to occur below that 70.
Mm-hmm.
Nice trade, though. Covering decent ground. We need to break out of those wicks at 65 now.
Yeah.
Coming in hot, coming in nice, beautiful. And
Push past the 5.
yeah, crack that 65, and I'll actually add in, but then get super aggressive once it approaches that 55 to 50. That's coming in nice.
Yeah.
No closes just yet on a 1 minute. Let's see. Close that 69 on the dot, which is that level. So again, we want it underneath 75 and then underneath those wicks at 5. So you guys could move stop now to like break in profit, all that kind of jazz. Do whatever your heart desires.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes when we touch. Sorry.
That retest of 680 is nice. I just don't want it to confirm above 83, which is your POC.
Yep.
Any reclaims, this thing could easily head back up off of a nice double bottom. It was a nice trade, but I want a full continuous move, not just 30 points. Now. That was a nice 30 points, but I want a full move.
Yeah.
If I can't get it, I can't get it. And that's it. Finished today.
That is all she wrote, if that is what
Literally,
she wrote.
all the way back to break even from up 30 points. That's a nice 700, just shy of 700 test. Again, back under 83. I'll probably add in now under 680. Under 680, I'll actually add in. So initially it was 65, get a close underneath that 65 wicks. But after a nice retest like this, where we can create a little bit of a flag action, that's what I'm going to look to do. That didn't even touch 700 this time. There's 80s. Not pulling the trigger too quick, waiting for my confirmation.
Wait, and this could be a banger.
There it is. Testing. Back up a bit. Oh, come on. Give me something to tell my mom that I'm a good trader.
Ha.
Otherwise, she's going to know I'm a dumb bitch. Clip that. I'll tag my mom. The market wants to show my mom I am a bitch. That's crazy. I've done it again. Bitch
He has
boy.
done it.
I've done it again. I am a bitch boy. It's holding that level really nicely at 85, 80 to 85. Here it is again, testing that 80. I want to see it close underneath for that full confidence. 19 seconds on our 2-minute, guys. There it is. Testing, 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 testing. Bang. I'm going to smack it. Let's reduce our risk significantly. And let's go. Let me see it, baby. First limit is in at equal lows, so 65. Again, even 70 wouldn't be bad with this add-in, but I'm going to keep it at 65, 75 right now.
Where did you drag
Actually,
your SL to
66.50. I actually haven't yet. I'm still at 712.75. So, I mean, that is a little bit of a drag. It was at like 720. 720s. Nice add-in.
Put the thread and continue.
For real. At least fill in those wicks. I'm in at 66.50 and test that 70. Again, don't get greedy now, guys. Just for a few points. Boom, filled. Gorgeous trade.
Nice.
Next
Beautiful.
PTs, we got 55 all the way down to 36. And dragging my stop now into profits because this thing could easily suck up, at least moving it to 70. This thing just crashed below 50, moving my stop. And I just got filled at 36.
Beauty, baby. I'm green on
I'm
the day.
green on the day.
Holy man, knowing when it's time to fucking pull the trigger. Holy, I'm not gonna lie. Counts were getting close. That was kind of scary, but okay. That was beauty. And that's why you stay patient on the scale in. You saw before, we wanted to get that scale in further long, didn't get the confirmation, so we didn't increase our risk, because why would you if you're not confirmed? Never scale in just to make more money. Only scale in on confirmation. Now, am I PDPT? No. Am I halfway to PDPT on these accounts? Potentially. And by potentially, I mean yes. I'm green and done. It's been a freak nasty day, bro. Yeah, honestly, today, we said the PA was going to be shit. We both did not like the levels. We sized down and basically just scaled in on confirmation, made our losses smaller than our wins. And that's it. On BE on the day, I'll take it. For real. Green to red to BE to green. There you go. What a fucking short, though, right? Like, holy. That was a beauty short. That closed below 700. You got the full retest all the way to 710, like we said. And then from 710, where's my original entry? My entry was 696. As soon as I saw that suck down from 710. And then from 696 to 636, which I didn't get it all the way there. I got it to monthly POC, like 649. What is that? It's like 50 points, basically. Not bad. Not bad at all. And for those of you guys who are red or who did blow accounts, it's okay. Just make sure to, like, you don't have to rush. We got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Funded, prop to payout. Does start on Monday next week. Yes, use code PHUB to get the best discount on the accounts. This happened last challenge too, where Well, actually, it didn't happen this time. But last challenge we did blow the first eval, and then second eval passed in minimum days, and then funded, got the payout in minimum days. And yeah, banger. How do you lock Trade Evade accounts? You should see a manual lockout right next to your accounts at the top. It's like this. But how we feeling, chat? Be honest. Who had to buy another account or needs to buy other accounts? And also, if you did, how many trades did it take for you to blow it? Because you got to remember, like, yeah, be aggressive on evals, but if taking 2 losses blows the entire account, got DLL, so I saved myself. Okay, good. You had a safety net. Mhm. Yeah, be aggressive, but don't, don't give yourself room for being wrong a couple times and then your account is gone. Not trading more than 5 MNQs, nice. Yeah, I don't see it. You don't see it? That's weird. On Trade of It? Minus 200, I was minus 1,000. Okay, so you got a good scratch back. And you don't need to end off today green. Still got 4 entire days of trading to pass whatever eval you're using. Not even on the website version. Wait, are you on computer or on phone? Because I'm not sure. Is it on phone, Rams? The manual lockout?
Oh,
Oh, he's on
Good
computer
guess.
anyway. I don't know. That's weird. Today was a W day, regardless. Pretty fire. I'm actually excited to finish this 3rd challenge. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3, prop the payout. Type shit. Fill up the testimonials chat too, because why not? Ace and JJ with bangers on a tough day. Nice. Cite up $3,280. Look at that. On MNQ. What the hell? I just sent the manual lockout screenshot. That's the wrong one. Bruh. Yeah, Cite, that's a perfect example of actually managing properly. David on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 accounts up $440. Euro up $1,785. Zulu locked out at $950. W. Yeah, today was definitely a manage your account properly day. Type shit. This week is gonna be tough, by the way. Like I will say, or not tough, but it's gonna be like it's a size down week for sure. We got PPI and FOMC on Wednesday, and then unemployment on Thursday. So like you're gonna see some.
I'm back.
Like ATR is gonna hit 70 this week. I'm telling you. Easily.
Can we just say something?
What?
How good was my PT at 36? It literally tapped 36 on the dot, filled me, popped back up, and then now it came to retest it.
Yeah. That was peak.
My stomach, guys. Holy smokies. The long here, if it can get the close, isn't bad, but it doesn't have that much room. It's 670, all the way up to that same level of 685, then 700. If it confirms underneath 50, you still have the short in trade, but you have to watch out for that 36. That 36 was a nice crucial level. We're literally just playing structure off of a 15-minute from that 36. I'm out of breath. Guys, my brain's got...
Your brain has guts to be skidding you?
That toilet is not happy with. But yeah, I was listening to everything John was saying, and I couldn't agree more. Like at the end of the day, what really speaks, like, you know what? Because it's the first week of challenges, you know what I want to do? I didn't even tell John this. I'm literally ripping it out of nowhere. Every single day this week on the eval is Free Game Friday. I'm going to give the full breakdown every single day this week, just so you guys know exactly what's going on inside the premium and exactly why we took each trade, what's going on, what we actually analyzed throughout all these trades and all of that kind of jazz.
That's kind of crazy.
Is that too wild? Should I not do that?
I don't know, chat. I mean, it depends how bad the chat wants it. If the chat blows up right now of our free members saying they really want it,
That's fair.
then sure. If they don't care,
Then we'll keep it for a premium where we know that they care.
mm-hmm.
No premium charge for the month? No, you guys still get your classes Alpha Mirror. You guys get the indicator
real,
this
you
week.
get the entire like, that's
There's no
ridiculous.
shot. There is no shot.
We're already so underpriced. Like, we do it for you guys. I'll literally do unimaginable things.
Look, off
for
of that
both of you
650,
for that.
like I said, straight to that 670. Just got tapped. I want to see if we can get this full hold for a continuous move. Because honestly, it wouldn't even be bad even if you were to enter at 650 and have a stop of like 15 points at the most. Literally not a bad trade at all.
For what, along?
For a long, off of that 650, I was saying.
I like it.
And then have a 15-point stop literally underneath that level of our PT. Literally not bad at all. It just wicked, holding. Let's see if it can hold 650 from here. Otherwise, this thing's coming back down to 35. There's 35, just got tapped, and new lows. So, shit. Beautiful. Beautiful, no trade. Literally straight to the level of 70, came back down. Really nice. Any
Is that a
reclaim.
full suck? I just looked away for a second.
It's about to go fill in that full wick at 623, to be honest.
Sometimes when we die.
Love one more trade. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not even itching for one more trade. I just think that we can get a full, real confirmation underneath this 35.
I understand.
There's 650 again. Holding pretty nice. We have our monthly PLC that we're under. Testing, holding now. And there's that 650 hold. We have 1 minute and 13 seconds left. I'm just seeing, guys, if there's one last trade to take. I'd say entry position would have been that 650, literally pushing right now. Very light.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. So off of that 650, guys, I want to see potential longs into at least 670 to 683 off of that 650.
What do you have? Just SL the lows?
Yeah, exactly. Literally. That's all you need. So looking at 20 points of a stop.
I understand.
But I still think the shorts are pretty nice. Like short term, that is definitely a downtrend. Holding underneath that structure, which literally triggers at 650, needs to hold that 650 for any longs to even take place. Otherwise, this thing is shorting all the way into our orb low, which is that wick all the way down to 623, which is our open candle.
Toasty's asking, what's the class this week?
We're doing something a little different that we were talking about with John, which is essentially, I don't even know if I should say it yet. I don't even want to say it.
Okay,
I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. Looks like this trade might be done here, which the short is definitely going to come into play. And I would love to get inside of something.
Inside?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is.
That
Give me in.
wick is
Give me in. Give me in. Give me in.
You jumped in that short?
Yeah. I want that short. Oh, I have such a bad fill. Literally, my fill's 23, where the wick is. My fill is the wick. So fucking horrid.
Where's your SL?
I didn't even put one. It's at 63.
Oh, that's actually so
which
funny.
could put me in some juicy red, but I'm just following what my trade says. I don't like that fill at all. Obviously, it was a market fill, but I still trust the short. I like it. 63. Stop.
But sometimes
There's
when we
green. So I'd literally watch out for the bottom of that wick that she just created. I'm gonna put trigger there. I'd love to see it under 600. That's sucking up straight to that 35. Really nice right now. I wanted it to fill that 23. That's the crazy part.
Is it crazy?
I still think the short's nice if we can get that hold under 35.
Is that the crazy part though?
No, because it's still holding under our monthly PLC, which is the main PT. Where the fuck is Aces Fill? On the fucking floor. It's horrible. Literally the worst fill you've ever seen in my
You've
life.
got to be skidding me.
Literally above 650 right now. We're going to see 670 get tapped after that liquidity grab. Hold under 650. Otherwise, I'm getting tapped. And that was just straight ugly
Close
fill.
above. It needs to reclaim below it.
That was such an ugly ass fill.
For real though.
It's going to tap me out right here. Ooh. I didn't even move SL. Literally 675, 6375, which literally got tapped, or 6325 basically got tapped. I'd even say like 65, 66 is the smartest SL. I would just be careful because this thing would probably go to 670. And that put me back into the red for today's session, but I'm honestly fine with it. It was a shitty fill. I'm not going to write excuses. And it hit my PT of that 23, which ended up being my fill. So ugly. This is where I had the long guys off that 650. So wouldn't be surprised if that taps me out. And we'll see.
We will see.
Oh, tap 65, 25. It's getting aggressive. This thing's going to push.
Probably.
Yeah, not even probably. It 100%. It's getting aggressive.
Bare
And
minimum, I
just
wanna
got
see like a
tapped.
70 tap.
You know what's crazy? I'm about to flip sides.
You're about to flip sides.
Yeah.
This guy's doing a front flip.
Yeah, it just seems like now I'm getting a little gambly. I promise I'm not. It's literally just confirming my levels off of invalidation really quick.
So you're in the long right now?
Yeah.
So you've got to be skidding me is what you're telling me.
I want to see if this confirms 80. First PT would definitely. There's 70 that we said it would touch. Sometimes when we touch, it all just seems too much.
Da-na-na-na.
Sometimes when we touch, it all just seems too much.
I understand.
That's 670. That's the top of VI. 80 might be a little aggressive.
But sometimes do you touch? That's the real question.
No.
Where do you like SL here?
Below 50, like 48, 5. I don't have enough of that wiggle room though. Here to pop up. There it is. There's 75. 80 looks like it's going to get tapped and just got filled. Whoa, it didn't fill me. It literally wicked me. You
got
are
wickered?
lame.
You got wickliest?
Yeah, I did. Literally, like to the T. I was at 69 or 79.25. It wicked me and didn't fill. Shout out Trade of 8. I love you.
You got wicked. That's tough.
It's okay. It's still going to fill.
I'm in with 1 micros. I understand.
Any hold above 70 would be nice, but anything less than gets a little ugly. I'm going to actually
Yeah, less than
move.
70, I say we dump.
Oh, yeah. If it can't hold 63, which is those wicks that initiated the flush
Mm-hmm.
again.
15 seconds till this close.
We have 5 minutes until our 11 o'clock candle as well.
Mm-hmm. Close is going to be interesting.
Can't believe that literally wicked to the tick. And now I pushed up my SL. or my PT. Looks like it's probably going to come back in for that 79. Don't have to get greedy, guys. Like, it's literally a few.
Mm-hmm. Was expecting a little more of a pop after this close.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of embarrassing, NQ. What's CS doing?
Kind of embarrassing. You're fucking.
Kind of embarrassing, NQ. Like, what? You think you're the NASDAQ, dude? Kind of fucking embarrassing. Shit. Sometimes when we die.
Back above our monthly POC, which is really nice. If we can reclaim above this current session POC, which is 70, with a full reclaim, this thing's probably going to see 700 once again. So I'd say like PT 92 to 95 wouldn't be horrible. Again, conservative was at 79, which I moved my PT from. That's definitely a lot more conservative, 76 to 79. But with my shitty fills, I'm not putting it there. Give me at least a minimum of a 1.2R. Can't believe it touched my PT. Isn't that wild?
Which one? Oh, the bottom one?
No, the top 79.
Oh. I'll make this pop. All good? All right.
82.
I
Yeah.
understand.
82.
It touched you.
I'd watch out for
Time.
82. I'll probably start dragging up once it gets to that 80 again. There it is. So I probably would have been filled by now if I kept my initial SL. And there we go. There's 80 taps. Definitely would have been filled.
Beauty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Indubitably.
Indubitably. Would
Indubitably.
love to see a massive pop from here off of our monthly open.
I gotta take a dookie, dude.
Bro, I ran to the washroom after that trade. Did you see how quick I sprinted?
I saw your message later.
Did you?
Like, after too, yeah.
Oh man, that was wild. You know what would be crazy? High of day. Your face, what? High of day? Brother, we're like 100 points under.
I mean,
Would it be that crazy though?
not really.
Yeah. It's back under 70, guys. I'd watch out here.
I'm waiting for 11 a.m. to go to the washroom. I understand.
That 11 o'clock news. See how that goes.
Sometimes when we die.
Ow, fuck. Back above 70 here. It needs to have that full hold above 80, 83. It's 82.50, the absolute level,
Mm-hmm.
which we tested 81.50, 81. Here it is again, back at 81.50. There's 82.50, 85. So this
Very
right
nice.
here would actually be like an add-in, or you guys move your stops now. Again, I'm not sure, Papa. You do whatever the fuck you want. But
For real, for real, for real.
just letting you guys know, if this closes above 700, I am getting fucking aggressive with this. Currently up 3,300 across all my accounts, but I'm still in the red because I went aggressive on that short, which filled me literally at the fucking bottom tick of 23.
That was hilarious.
Literally the worst fill I've ever seen in my life. I want to see this thing touch 700.
I'm speaking at 11:30. What?
Pardon? There's our 11 o'clock candle coming in right now.
Yep.
That was a
We'll
nice
see
PT
11.
though, from that 90s.
Yeah, I think that 95 is a good PT.
Yeah, next one would be, I'd honestly argue and say your orb, 717. Or if you're playing structure, then it's going to look like 698, which basically you're right there. So I'm not going to count that.
Yeah.
Another PT hit. It's like, Ace, that's 2 points of a differential. What are you yapping about, brother?
I have a CE at 708. 708 is a good take too.
Yeah. See 700, baby. Come on.
Sometimes when we touch.
Sell, like profit or be.
Mm-hmm.
Is that where you're at?
Hmm?
Is that where you're at?
Yeah.
Nice. That was another 35-point trade, but
Honestly, I want this trade to be done so I can go and take a dukes.
bro, that's what I did. I ran.
Like my eyes
I
are watering for
sprinted.
how much I need to do.
That tapped that level again. I wouldn't mind adding in risk now, but I would have to be positioned like literally with
Sometimes when we touch.
that markings are stop. Don't go back under 70, baby.
Oh, 77 and I'm tapped.
Say that's very fair.
When we touch. I made it pop a little. I'll make another call. All right, Adri. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna go poop.
Tapped.
Wait, are we ending soon? Because if we're ending soon, stay for like a minute.
I'm still.
All right. Well, Chad, if this is the last time I see you, use code PHUB. I love you guys, and let's fucking
85.
print. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha.
Typing while shitting.
Are you actually leaving? Close to end of stream? That's insane, bro. Are you actually really doing that? I'm gonna have my SL at that 98, guys, or not SL PT for the first because I did add in there with that hold of 80. But again, that's a lot more riskier. That did bring my cost average from 65 all the way to 75. So I would need at least a move to 94 to make that worth it. Just math, straight math. 83 or 93, sorry. Back down. Getting aggressive. I'm just, Rams like so aggressive, daddy. Wait, what? Watch out for 70, guys. SL is at 63 right now. So first move or first trade was at 65. So that's literally close to break even, which not a fan of. I would like to be like 59 at the minimum, but I'd watch out for any moves that occur here. Even looks like it's coming back down. There's 70. Tap 70, pushing back up. You got to be careful here. This could easily just flush straight to 50 and under, especially if it doesn't hold on 65. Sometimes when we touch, it all just seems too much. Whoa, that just came down to the 60, guys. My SL was at what, 59, I said? Yeah. And it literally sucked up at that 60. So good job on choosing the SL. I think it could be looser personally. But I don't want extra risk. Like it's getting pretty juicy in terms of where it's currently at, literally sitting in between levels. I hate when it does that. No confirmation. And still testing. So I would like SL to be at like literally 49. Like to me, that's just what makes the most sense. But if you guys need to keep it at 58, then definitely do that. I don't even have enough added risk for any of this push. 40, 49, yeah. And looks like I might get tapped. Yep. And that's tapped, guys. So first PT would have been at that 70 where I first got filled. Got filled on a shitty fucking wick, which ended up green, and I just couldn't take it. But that's it for this account. And I'm going to have to get some new ones. Hey, Rams. But that is it for today, guys. Good trades, bad trades, literally chop city. I got chopped, and I still think the long is still good. We'll probably re-enter, but I'll alert it, and I'll let you guys know. Other than that, I appreciate you guys. Always going to keep it transparent here. That's the first set of evals. But yeah. Are you doing the giveaway today? John's in the washroom, so we'll probably run it tomorrow. They're for sure happening this week, though, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Always keeping it transparent with y'all. Sometimes when we touch, it all just seems too much. How much is the premium member? Oh, wait. Yeah. Wait. We said we were going to do the breakdown. Oh. Pardon? What happened? Being back? Where are you going? Okay, guys, until I can change that up, let's just go straight onto my screen where we can go through a lot of these trades. Give me 2 seconds. That last one got me, John. The last one got me on the evals. But again, we're transparent. We tell them. We tell them the truth.
Well, shit.
We tell them the truth. Test. You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
So a lot of people
Did you
were
break it
asking, yeah, it's breakdown time. So I want to learn options, but so ass in it.
I wonder why I can't.
understand. Yo, they're also wondering when is the giveaway. We got to do another set today.
Oh yeah, let's do it. We'll
Do
just
you want to
upgrade it.
give a ping to everyone? Let everyone know.
Wait, how does it work? Oh, you have all the names already. Wait, ping to who?
Yeah, I know, but people were saying that it's incomplete. I don't believe so. I think they used code PHUB stream, or they used someone else's, or they just forgot.
Didn't you get the names from Cam?
Fully extracted.
Yeah, that's like yeah.
So we're not cheating. I literally have the message saying we fully extracted it. But
How do we even cheat? We're still giving away all
wait,
these
but I
points.
feel like there might be an error. Because
Why?
wait, Rams, did you use code PHUB? Unless they're just not including his name because they know he's. Yeah.
I think we just used the names that were given. He extracted them. You could ask him,
It's fully extracted. I did.
and he said it's
Yeah.
fine.
He said
Okay,
those are the
that's fine.
extracted names.
And
Like
then-
I said, guys, off that 650, I still liked it. I just got tapped out. Literally by like 2 points.
Oh wait, I left.
I left. I came back.
I left the play before I. My accounts might be gone. Let me check.
Were you in a long or a short?
I was in a long list. Did it go down?
It did.
Oh. Hold
Oh,
on.
how heavy you were, though.
I mean, I went pretty decently heavy. I was trying to.
I was too. Well, I got the
Yeah.
add-in once it confirmed above 80, but it didn't hold the 80. And it's still here at that 670, which is where I initially entered.
Oh,
wanna
they're
see-
popped. But that is okay.
We're transparent at the end of the day. You know what I mean?
That's what happened last time. We popped our first accounts, and then we got a payout
No.
in the minimum time after. Didn't we?
They were straight.
Or was it the first time?
No, that was a straight to funded.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, what do I remember?
So, okay, wait, guys. If this can get the confirmation above 80, I will look to enter again.
Sometimes when we touch, if I want to.
But it's literally Chop City. So let's go through the trades right now.
Top City. Let's do a daily breakdown, and I think
Yeah.
call it. And we can
So-
continue tomorrow.
Our levels, this is the one thing that I'll say for today's session. Our levels hit really fucking well.
Yeah, they actually.
Unfortunately, it is Chop. So it's like you do have to gauge your SL pretty appropriately, to which in the most part we have. But once you're wrong, especially with an add-in that could get really aggressive. This is why I say don't dollar cost average, wait for a potential entry, and then you have to minimize your risk almost immediately. Because I kept my risk the same, there wasn't much that could happen from that point. But let's go through today's trades really, really quick. So I'm not going to go through the exact trades. It's just going to be the overall premise of today's
Mhm.
gauge. One thing that me and John noticed right off of the ripsies was the fact that if you guys head over to your weekly, okay, you guys are going to notice this right here. So let me remove the indicators, create less noise, all of that kind of stuff for y'all. Boom, boom, bang. So we always have this main draw up of our chart from weekly accumulation to session ranges to VIs to volume, like the volume imbalances, any crucial levels, all of that kind of stuff. John literally runs very similar thing. He even, should I say it? Should I give? He scripted something to basically create this for himself without having to do anything. It's still in beta mode, so we're not like saying anything just yet. Just know that if it does work out the way we think it's going to work out, then we can expect premium to get a little bit of sauce.
All I'm saying, I custom scripted it and it works very
Yeah.
well
Like
already.
all of my students
I
know.
almost want to keep it.
Yeah.
It's like
All
really
my
cool.
students know what I preach when it comes to basing and accumulation levels, and John literally figured out a way to get it pretty fucking accurate. There's some levels that like are not on my chart that'll be on his chart just based on like what we prioritize in terms of time frames and all of that. But in terms of like the major key levels, those have always been the same.
You guys will notice too. Sometimes we'll like call out SLs or PTs, and we'll be the exact same dollar, like 34. Oh yeah, that's perfect. 78. Like we see shit basically the same.
Yeah. And it's literally all based off of my accumulation, basing, VIs, all that kind of good stuff. So, nonetheless, we have what we've marked up. Oh, wait. Before we even do this, do you want to put out in chat, just ping and just say, starting daily breakdown for free and giveaway? Let's just get
Where?
some
In
numbers
this
in here.
Or like announcement or what?
Maybe in general, maybe an announcement, wherever you see fit, baby.
I bet.
Just give people the free sauce. It's testing here at that 80 again, guys. I want to see if we can finally get some confirmation here.
Sometimes when we talk.
It all just seems stomach. Boom. There's it off the 80. Limit got filled, guys. Oh, wow. It did me a favor one time. Instead of filling me at 80, it filled me at 79. So like I told you guys, was waiting for the confirmation above 80. Finally got it. Put my limit in at 79. Filled. Here, let me share screen before you guys call bullshit.
What? Oh. I understand. There's my CE at 708 again.
And that's 710 trying to get tapped. I want to see like just shy of 720, 718, 715, but moving stops from this point all the way to the bottom of that wick at 92.
Beautiful. This guy's up $2,800.
Only one account now, and I went aggressive because that was my full confirmation. But nice move off of there. 28 points to start it off. And let's see if I get tapped. Even just moving that a little bit shy, 90 to 89. Holding that 700. I'd watch here. And I'm personally using TPT, guys. But again, you guys can use Tradeify, Top One, literally anything you guys, your heart desires. I just want the opportunity, and me and John were talking about it, to really swing a bat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why'd you say it like that? Yeah.
Yeah. I was just thinking about it. Yeah. Man, if I could go back to January 10, what the hell?
His first payout. Let's see if I get tapped here at, I'm going to put it to 88, which I'll be fine with. Obviously, that's less than 50% of what I saw. Got filled on one.
Sometimes when we talk.
I'd love to see 35 just so it can confirm the level. And I got tapped out.
That's okay. Green is green.
Yeah. But again, we are transparent. We literally told you guys we popped the first set of evals for this challenge.
Mhm.
You guys are going to see it on socials too. So don't think like, oh, we hide behind the Discord. Like, no. We are literally, when we say we're fully transparent, I popped my account. John, you popped yours? John popped his. So this is right here a reset for a
Grab
TPT.
some more evals, baby.
Vinny just said he popped his. Like, we're literally popping is Rams popped his. Rams didn't pop his. Oh, you did? So we've all literally all of office has popped
Yeah.
their accounts today during this shop.
You know, SP was dog.
It was dog water. We were green, and hey, retrospect,
And we did say
hindsight
we're
is always
going aggressive.
2020.
We're not gonna spend 2 weeks on an eval trying to pass it. You know.
Yeah, and there's so
That's
many
that
people
bitch
who
that
actually
looking at
stopped
on the
at the green with their fundeds on testimonials.
Yeah, Zulu was up 1,000 and he stopped. Cite's up like 3,000 something.
Yeah,
And Cite stopped.
I want to see that retested 680. So nice.
But yeah, W Day.
Did you ping?
Yeah.
And it only got 6 more people. I guess people don't like giveaways.
People don't like giveaways.
I understand.
People don't like giveaways. All right, let's
All
do
right.
these giveaways quick. Win this duck race.
Giveaway or breakdown first, or both? Should we do 2? Do the breakdown and then give another 3. That way people stay.
Do a quick breakdown. I mean, the breakdown is basically this chop fucking sucks. We're in between 2 weekly VIs. And yeah, the levels are ass.
That was the analysis, ladies and gents.
Like, okay, when we opened, we were in the middle of like a fuck ton of levels, so we didn't have much room to go. We were also dead center. We opened in between 2 weekly VIs, which was also ass. Also, if you look at news, we have FOMC and PPI on Wednesday, and unemployment on Thursday. And usually, when you have major news
Ripping along again.
on like a Wednesday, the days before suck in terms of PA. So yeah, we got to the levels and like we reached targets that we said we wanted to reach, but the way we got there was super choppy and super wiki. So you have to size down, extend your SLs, and it was a sea green tape.
There's
green
710
kind of day.
getting tested. I would love to see 35, like we've been seeing today's session, which would be 56 points from my initial entry.
Yeah, I'd want to see a close above 710.
Yeah. No close, and this thing comes back down to like 698. So I'm gonna move my stop. 693. So exactly like John said, for that breakdown, guys, we are literally wedged in between 2 VIs. The main PT being that 35, which is your CE, literally tested perfectly all session. So you guys can see right here on a 5-minute, literally closed right at it, wick to it, tested right on it, sitting on it, try to pop, got into equal highs, broke that 35, straight flush into our lower levels. Those lower levels literally was our 15-minute structure. So go over to your 15. Okay. Find your base, draw out your base, and congrats, you just found your PTs. Right? Go onto your lower time frame. Look how it touches that perfectly. Literally, here's your 3-minute, literally goes straight to your CE, reclaims.
Sometimes you've got to be skidding me.
So the levels were literally there. It was testing it perfectly. But when you're getting, and again, look at your 5-minute, candle up, candle down, candle down, candle up, candle down, candle up, candle down, candle up, candle down, candle down, candle up. And then you finally get that full short, which is what we caught. And then from there, candle up, candle down, candle up, candle, what? Candle up, a, candle what? Candle, a, candle, Rams hit a windmill, baby. Rams hit a windmill, hit a windmill, quick.
I can't.
He's in the same trade, guys. But literally, that's today's breakdown. And yeah, we go more into like full discretion, what trades we took inside of a real breakdown. But for today's session, there's not much to write about, right? It was just about, to be honest, what trading is all about, how you managed your trades. What's the one thing that we know about evals that we're always going to do? because we don't care about wasted time and fake money.
Go
We're
aggressive.
going to go aggressive, right? So even though our trades were correct and yes, we were in the green, at the end of the day, I'm still going to go aggressive, knowing just that at the end of the day, it's an eval and none of this is real money until it's a payout. How do you get to the payout? The funded. So when I'm in the funded, now I can take it a lot more serious. And this is why I'm a fan personally of me using TPT and you guys not, because you guys get end of day drawdown. I have to fight intraday to prove how much more valuable that this challenge is going to be. Also, that just reclaimed over 710 or tried to. And I do have a PT at 717, 715. So that almost got tapped. It was 714. But I'm going to move my stop or my PT a little bit higher. Here it comes. I'm going to keep going higher and just drag my SL now at this point. But nice trade right there. Again, first initial at 680. And then I just got the re-entry once it was reconfirmed. Literally retested 680 on the dot. And there it goes. 617 just got tapped and continue to drag as you see fit. Moving my stop all the way to 709.50. Do you have anything else to say for the breakdown, people?
No.
Watch for that 720, guys. That's going to be pretty crucial because then
still think we
that's where we got a few reversions at that 720. 735 is still my main PT, but I'm about to get filled at 24. Going to drag it a little higher and continue to drag up my stop. So I'm now at 719, and it is gorgeous, actually. Shit.
Beautiful.
Yeah. PT is 29.25, but that 26 is gorgeous and looks like I'm about to get filled right here at 719 to 717. Just going to toy around with that SL. Nice shit. Just got filled. So currently up 2,560 on that one account that I did have to reset. And it is what it is. Good trade nonetheless from initial entry that is, what, 50 points? 47 points. And it could easily still come through and push, but I had to put my SL in. Again, literally just trading off the levels, waiting for the confirmations through those VIs, touching the VIs, touching the CEs, and then obviously my monthly range, my weekly range that we had a stack level from. So that's why me and John said, we don't fucking like it. Sorry for my French, and there's PT. But we don't like it when it's sitting inside of here. And then as soon as it confirmed, it was still chop, even though our levels are still hitting. Like there's 35, literally my level. Right from that 35, if it confirms over, this thing's going to see equal highs at that 50, 750. If not, then it's coming back down all the way to basically 680. Nonetheless,
Kels, did you take that? Kels reading that long?
He said it got tapped as well. Unless he just said big orders hitting the book. Like that got tapped. So that, guys, literally PT at that 35, 36. Gorgeous PT and literally trying to suck up a little bit. But that's 57 points from my initial entry. Got a little double piece of that from re-entries at that 680 that I kept talking about. And Rams is now green on his new accounts. I'm now green on that singular account. And John,
I gotta grab new accounts.
he needs to grab new accounts. But guess what he's going to do when he grabs new accounts? He's going to use code PHUB, which is always going to give him the best discounts full port.
Now I'm going to grab it. So for anybody that got cooked today, I'm right with you, brothers and sisters.
And
Tomorrow,
I'm getting duck race ready.
Get that shit ready.
Yes, sir. Shit. So
sometimes
so aggressive. All right. Let me share screen. Rams, which one do you want me to use? The chart? Okay.
Duck race season. How was your weekend? Ooh, look at Kels up $3,000 on one account and $3,000 on another account. Go crazy.
Did it work, Ram? Cool. Okay, we're starting it, guys. And guys, look at that PT. Look at the fucking PT. Holy sharp bucket. It's like someone been saying that.
You're not showing your screen properly. Also, now that I see Oz has TPTs, should I just fucking grab TPTs too? Go for a swing?
Up to you, baby. Up to you.
Uh,
To you. Oh, also, guys, a lot of people. I don't know if you guys seen this. I didn't even talk to the boys about this. Almost all affiliates got kicked off of TPT.
Why?
They just did a full clean swipe of every single one of their affiliates, and we're still good.
Because we are actually transparent and we don't lie to our
Yeah,
people.
a lot of people are like selling the TPT accounts that are for giveaways, and like they're like slightly breaking rules and all of that. We just keep it 100, and obviously, karma shows. But
Prophub
yeah,
survive.
if you guys were using any codes, just make sure to use code PHUB now, because that is the only code that is seeming to work. But let's get going. If you guys want to see your names, it's right here. Again, if you guys had 3 or more accounts, it got doubled up. So this is what we have, a list of 281 people on this. If you guys went big, boys account with you, Ace. Let's go, Kels.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
Fuck, I want Chick-fil-A.
Okay, you guys ready? 10 seconds. First set. Will Kyle win today? That's a good question. And let's go. Leading the board. Whoa, we got Jermaine out of nowhere coming strong with the UK drip. Whoa, we got Kajal. Rip. Literally came in from the back. Absolutely stripped off Ducky and just absolutely printed. Ace, did you watch Interstellar this week? I'm going to be honest. No, I didn't. You know what I was watching? And I might get fucking ripped on for this, but I actually enjoy it. So, number one, me and Jill. You guys have to remember, I have a fiance who's pregnant, so we watch a lot of TV whenever we can. I just pull up my laptop, do some work at the same time. But we did watch Love is Blind, the new season. I know. Oh my God, Ace, you're so gay. Whatever, okay? It's fucking... I enjoy it. I enjoy it, okay? And then we also watched Mormon Lies, whatever, Secret Lives of Mormon Wives as well. And to be honest, I enjoy it. I feel like it's such easy watches. My ADHD brain can't handle something a lot more complex. I literally have to be in the mood to watch a movie like Interstellar for me to actually turn it on and watch it. I can't just like rip it on and just go straight for it. Honestly, those reality shows with girls are actually good to watch. It's still gay, but it's less gay. I agree, Pasta. I agree. You know what? Call me gay. I enjoy what I enjoy. Guess what? I still made more money than you this year already in payouts. And let's start the race. Here we go. We got Eric sitting right there. We got Edwin Ta pulling up. We got a pink one. Kyle! Let's go! Kyle did it. Finally, guys. Kyle fucking did it. Kyle did it, guys. Kyle did. Yo, who won the first one?
Kajal.
How do you spell that? Kajal?
Kajal.
What's the last name? Do you remember? Da. I'm just writing them down. Okay. Next one.
If Kyle ran it back.
Dang. Oh, leading the way with the hat. We got one. Okay, Edwin Ta with the grandma drip. Nicholas. Whoa. Nicholas. You know what it is? It's the naked ducks who don't have anything weighing them down. I think that might be it.
I think I'm feeling a vibe.
It's my mom's birthday tomorrow. I might do something for premium for my mom's birthday and St. Patty's Day. I'm down to wear green though. Yeah.
Wait, why are we wearing green?
St. Patrick's Day.
Huh? Who is Patrick?
It's also my mother's birthday. Shout out to my mother. Okay. Because we did 6 on Thursday or Friday, whatever it was, we're only doing 4 today and another 5 tomorrow. So you guys better be here, and we're going to do it during live trading tomorrow. You guys ready for this? And if you guys are on socials, make sure to join the Discord. It's pinned. Therefore, that you guys can join all of the giveaways. Ready and go. Let's run it, baby. Edwin Ta again coming through. We got Anthony. My name is 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 Anthony. If you guys don't know this, the whole joke is the fact that my middle name is Anthony. But John, what's your middle name?
Anthony.
Both our middle names are Anthony. So I don't know who this Anthony folk is, but congrats. So that's 4. I had so much fun. I might want to do one more.
Let me stroke my beard.
Now we're gonna wait for tomorrow when we have the full squad of 90 people, because right now we are currently sitting at
dude.
39. But
He's a watermelon.
no, that's a strawberry, you fucking goof.
No, ignore it. He's a watermelon.
Okay, just for that, we're not running another giveaway. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We appreciate you guys. Congrats to the winners. We will get your emails going once the whole list is done. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Shout out to y'all. Make sure to use code PHUB for all prop purchases. We love y'all and peace. John, anything last to say? Dripped with the Cartier, baby. Drip with the Cartier, baby. Drip with the chains, baby. Jesus on his neck. He got the cross on his neck. Holy. Bro put the Santa hat on and cooked everyone. Holy. Flexing with the Santos, man. I thought that was a Santa. Jeez. Slime on him. Slime on him. No gang signs on him on YouTube. Okay, bye.
I am not